Hey, what's going on guys? This is Spawn here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Zhiyun Crane 3 Lab with the Blackmagic Pocket 4K. So I just recently got off of shooting a short film called Bake It Till You Make It, which was my senior thesis film from CSUN. We decided to go with the Blackmagic Pocket 4K as our main camera with the Sigma 18 and 35 as our main lens. Now our camera package here comes in at around 2200 grams, which is a little bit over 4 pounds. And we knew that some of the scenes we wanted to shoot as a tracking shot. So we needed a gimbal that can handle the payload and also the weird weight distribution of the camera. As you can see with the Pocket 4K, it has a very wide design with the lens mount more centered on the left side. So the weight distribution is more left leaning. We needed a gimbal that can handle the rolling axis. Initially, we got the Moza Air 2, but we had to return that because it couldn't keep up with the horizon. As it was panning, it would always lose the horizon and never settle again. Zhiyun partnered with us on this production and sent us the Crane 3 Lab, which is the big sister of the Weibo Lab and the mother of the Crane 2. The maximum advertised payload for this gimbal is 10 pounds. So our camera package here, which is about 4 pounds, is no problem to the gimbal. And the rolling axis is wide enough so we can handle the wide design of the Pocket 4K. Okay, now let's take a quick look at the box itself. We take a look, open it, and you'll find the manual. So you get the Crane 3 itself. Comes with 3 batteries and a charger. Now this mounting plate actually comes initially with only 1/4 inch bracket, but I find that with my camera setup it is too heavy to use only just one, and so it would just the camera would just pan off axis while I use the gimbal. So now I use 2. This pouch has all the essential cables to connect to the cameras. Comes with a lens support mount. Can't forget about the tripod. Now with the Creators package, it has on the motorized follow focus and the motorized zoom control. And with the Zhiyun app, you can actually connect your phone to this transmitter over here, and you would able to live feed your footage to your phone as a monitor. And you would get this phone bracket to mount to the gimbal. Oh, and it would also come with a pretty sick monopod. Now, coming off of a pistol grip gimbal, what I enjoyed the most about the Crane 3 is the ability to operate in the underslung mode very easily. You can get as low as you want without having a huge strain on your grip. And when you need to rest, you can just hold it down at your side. Now, at the end of the day, you'll be feeling it more on your forearm from holding the gimbal like this, rather than feeling it in your lower bicep and your wrist from holding the pistol grip gimbal like this. And here is an example footage that we shot with this camera setup, the 18 and 35 running at 35mm. Yeah, we shot that sequence at a 35mm range. Was it smooth? You guys let me know. Gimbals tend to have this look to them where it's very smooth and it's also borderline robotic. I mean, not borderline because it is robotic. The Crane 3 is no different, as it is a motorized gimbal. If you want to remedy the robotic and motorized look, you can actually go in the app, and from there you can adjust the sensitivity of the pan. Now when I run the Pocket 4K handheld, I use as a power solution a dummy battery with a DC jack, which plugs into a battery adapter. Now the Crane 3 has a DC jack also, but it actually doesn't fit the standard size here, so I haven't tried it myself, but I guess you have to get another adapter that would connect the two. Now with the Moza Air 2, it does also have a DC jack, and it just fits the standard one. But with the Crane 3, it looks like you will need a adapter. Otherwise, when I'm running this right now, I am flying it on the LPE6 batteries, which we all know sucks. And from my experience with the settings that I use, it lasts about 20 to 30 minutes. Getting it off maybe 20 and 30 minutes is kind of annoying. So yeah, I would advise myself actually to hurry up and get that DC jack adapter so I can possibly run this camera with the internal battery for the gimbal. So what do you guys think about this gimbal right here, the Crane 3 Lab? Would you go for this gimbal? And if you have it, what is your experience with it? If you have a Blackmagic Pocket 4K and is shopping around for a gimbal, which one would you go for? Which one would be the best choice for you? If you want more information about this gimbal, the links would be down in the description below. And that is it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.